Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to use Kraken Crypto app. So the first step is to simply download the free app which you can find on Google Play and App Store, and basically on the app you can simply start buying crypto or receive crypto and hold your crypto in your Kraken account. So as you can see, you can start with just $10. Basically, you can buy any types of crypto, and here you can even automate your buys by setting up buy frequency, which that means that you can set up an exact amount to buy every single month or every day. You can even keep track of crypto prices, and basically that's how you can use the crypto app of Kraken. You just have to simply go to kraken.com and then click on sign up, or either download the app and create your free account, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.